हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय ध्वजा। जब भी हम लोग बेबी केयर एंड कोविड-19, हम लोग कितने दिनों से सोच रहे थे नहीं कि किसी पेडियाट्रिशियन के साथ हमारा एक इंटरव्यू हो जहाँ पे हम लोग बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस के बारे में बात कर सके जो हर नई मम्मा को आते हैं। एंड हियर वी आर विद डॉक्टर संदीप कदम।
Hello.
हाय डॉक्टर संदीप, you are into pediatric practice since how long?
Last 20 years.
ऑल ऑफ यू 20 साल का प्रैक्टिस। ही इज प्रैक्टिसिंग एट पुणे। तो इनको अगर किसी को इनके बारे में डिटेल्स जानना है, एनीबडी वांट्स टू कनेक्ट विद दिस होप एंड हेल्थ क्लिनिक लोकेटेड एट डेक्कन, यू विल बी एबल टू सर्च इट ऑन सोशल मीडिया। चलिए आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। डॉक्टर संदीप, आई थिंक आप एक ऐसे क्राउड के साथ डील कर रहे हो जिसके पास हमेशा एटलीस्ट 10 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं,
Right?
100%.
Yes.
And sometimes they are logical and sometimes they are Google based.
Yes.
It's true. So my first question is, कोविड टाइम्स है, फर्स्ट वेव को कहा जाता था कि छोटे बच्चे इतने प्रोन नहीं है, सेफ्टी है, ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं है, बट अभी द सिनेरियो इज़ वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट।
Yes.
तो आपका क्या कहना है, कोविड टाइम्स में बच्चों का केयर कैसे लेना चाहिए?
I think it is very important that we keep our kids safe. And by safe, we mean that they should be away from the people who are infected, number one. Number two, if we should try to keep them in the home rather than taking them outside. So that's a very important issue, because see what happens, they go and meet other children and they're likely to get infected, or they go and come in contact with somebody who is infected and they get infected. And they may be asymptomatic, but they are very super spreaders. So they may be infected, but they may be asymptomatic. So what we try to say is that if a child is about 2 years, wear a mask.
Okay.
Wash your hands, keep them clean, and most important, avoid going out if it is not essential to go out in the current pandemic, because lots and lots of people are just infected with COVID-19, and we are seeing the menace that we have witnessed in the last 2 months.
डॉक्टर, आपका कहना है अवॉइड गोइंग आउट, दैट मीन्स एज सिंपल एज सोसाइटी प्ले, सोसाइटी के बच्चों के साथ खेलना?
सोसाइटी के बच्चों के साथ वो खेल सकते हैं, बट प्रोवाइडेड they use a mask and they
social distancing,
and again all these things are not really possible, so they may be supervised. And number two, I can understand that keeping them at 24 hours at home inside the four walls is next to impossible. So I think let the play be supervised rather than keeping them at home, and wear a mask.
Wonderful.
And avoid too much of overcrowding. So that's what my suggestion has been.
राइट, आई थिंक एक बहुत वंडरफुल आइडिया डॉक्टर ने अभी दिया। सी पेरेंट्स और बच्चे साथ में रह रहे, बच्चों को बाहर लेके जाना जरूरी है। सो वी कैन थिंक अबाउट फ्यू आइडिया जहाँ पे पेरेंट्स और बच्चे ही साथ में खेले।
Absolutely.
सो द क्राउड रिमेन्स द
The
सेम,
same,
सिर्फ
yeah.
आप एनवायरनमेंट चेंज
Why
करो।
not play a badminton or table tennis,
Or
something like
cricket,
that,
I
cricket.
think.
So that I think will avoid cross infections, and it will be supervised. So that's very important.
राइट। डॉक्टर संदीप, मेरे घर में बहुत भारी चीज चल रही है अभी। वी आर बिल्डिंग दैट पत्तों का बंगला,
हाँ।
फिर वो टिपरी पानी जो हम लोग बचपन में
Play
खेलते थे।
carom and play
Chess.
chess.
Right.
So all these things really make a lot of difference, and plus you are giving quality time to your own children. So that makes a lot of difference in their development.
आई थिंक एज अ पेरेंट्स हम लोग भी आई थिंक वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर करके वी आर ऑल्सो बिट इरिटेटेड बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे।
So let us also become a kid and play with them like a kid.
राइट, सो आई थिंक दैट्स द इजीएस्ट वे। ओके, डॉक्टर ने 2 चीज़ें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बताई दैट आई थिंक उनके लिए भी कोई चीज़ अलग नहीं है, लाइक वेयरिंग अ मास्क, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग एंड कीपिंग देम सेफ एंड हाइजीन
And hand washing.
एंड हैंड वॉशिंग। बट जो बच्चे 2 साल के अंदर है डॉक्टर, उनके बारे
For
में?
them, I think it is very important that they may not wear a mask, but very important that we should avoid taking them to overcrowded areas and keep a distance of 1 meter or 2 meters from other individuals,
Right.
so that they are less likely to be infected.
ओके, अभी ये एकदम भारी टिपिकल इंडियन स्ट्रैटेजिक क्वेश्चन है। जब भी आप बोल रहे हो कि लोगों से कांटेक्ट मत दिला, बट अपने यहाँ पे तो अभी सपोज जो न्यूबॉर्न बच्चा है तो लोग तो देखने के लिए आते हैं। सो व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन इट?
I think in the current time, the difficult time that we are facing, let us avoid going to the newborn baby, number one, because see, we may be infected, we may be
Carrier.
asymptomatic, and that's the reason that you can spread the virus to the newborn baby. और उनका प्रतिकार शक्ति कम रहता है, so they are likely to catch the virus, and we don't want that to happen. Number two, let us use our digital technology to show the baby to our relatives and family friends,
Right.
and that can definitely be done without a flash. So it's very easy for us to show our baby to others or share our baby's photo with other relatives.
100%.
So maybe we can have the bigger function in the first birthday once the COVID-19 is declining.
लवली आई थिंक इन्होंने दोनों पार्ट बहुत अच्छे बोले. अगर आपको देखने के लिए जाना है तो आप खुद सोचो क्यों जा रहे हो, और अगर आपके घर में बच्चा है तो आई थिंक थोड़ा सा ब्लंट होना बनता है कि बाबा अभी मत आओ.
This is a time that we really don't want anyone to come to our home.
So be blunt.
Be blunt.
It's okay. Okay, that's nice. अभी थर्ड क्वेश्चन, जब भी हम लोग बेबी केयर एंड कोविड बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, मदर इज इन्फेक्टेड
Yes.
और द क्लोज फैमिली मेंबर से आप पापा ले लो, दादा ले लो, जिसके सिवा बच्चा नहीं रहता. आई थिंक देयर आर मेनी फैमिली मेंबर्स लाइक
Yes.
दैट.
Yes.
So how we can protect within house somebody is infected or even mother? So both.
See
the
what
ways.
happens if the mother is infected. We, especially a nursing mother, so what we say is that the baby can be with the mother. Mother needs to wear a mask, keep a distance of 3 meter. When it comes to feeding the baby, she wears a double mask, and then
Right.
she can breastfeed the baby. And again, the baby goes in the cradle, which is slightly away. So the risk of transmission of infection from the mother to the baby is very negligible. So almost not there. Vice vis-a-vis, if I shift the baby to some relative, but the mother and the relative are in the same room, so who knows that the relative is not infected? So
Okay, तो इनफैक्ट ज्यादा रिस्क.
ज़्यादा risk है. So and it's always important to understand that giving mother's own milk is the most important thing in the first 6 months of life versus isolating and giving top feeds. So today we understand that breastfeeding is very important. Don't stop breastfeeding. Give mother's own milk to the baby, and don't isolate the baby from the mother even if the mother is COVID positive. And if there are other members who are infected, they can be isolated in a separate room, and the baby can be with the mother in a different room. So
So-
we have no reason to stop breastfeeding. We need to continue, but the mother takes care and wears a mask and feeds the baby.
Awesome. So दूसरे फैमिली मेंबर as important as father, I think they should be isolated.
Absolutely.
ये जो लिबर्टी दिया गया है ना
ये
डॉक्टर
सिर्फ-
संदीप से, ये सिर्फ
Mothers के लिए.
कितना वीआईपी ट्रीटमेंट मिलता है मदर्स को, देखो. एंड इन अ वे आई थिंक डॉक्टर संदीप, मदर विल रिकवर आल्सो फास्ट
Yes.
इफ शी हैज अ
yes,
बेबी विथ हर.
Yes. She feels good, na?
बहुत अच्छे से करते हैं. ही इज डीलिंग विद मदर्स एंड आई माई सेल्फ इज अ मदर, सो आई कैन एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड कैसे फीलिंग आता है. द लास्ट पार्ट, डॉक्टर अगर कोई बच्चा कोविड पॉजिटिव है तो इज देयर एनी एज सच मेडिकेशंस? बाय द वे दिस वीडियो इज नॉट टू गिव एनीबडी अ मेडिकल एडवाइस, बट दिस इज जस्ट एन अवेयरनेस फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू एज सच, बिकॉज जितने भी मेडिकेशंस है कोविड को लेके ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डॉक्टर इज टेलिंग ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक दवाई नहीं कि ये 2 गोलियां खा के कोविड-19 ठीक हो जाएगा. इट्स नथिंग लाइक दैट. आई थिंक इवन दे आर एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग. इससे अच्छा लग रहा है, इससे अच्छा लग रहा है. सो बच्चों के लिए
Yeah. So luckily for us, even if the child is infected with COVID, majority of them are asymptomatic. So very few children have got symptoms, and the symptoms can be like fever, cold, cough, reduced appetite, or they may have nausea, vomiting, diarrhea.
motions.
So all these are very vague symptoms when it comes to COVID infection in children. But what we really need to understand is that these children just need a basic supportive treatment. We should not just run. If there's fever, yes, please give paracetamol, but with the help of your doctor. Your pediatrician needs to see your child to assess that this child can be managed at home or versus which child needs admission or hospitalization. So there are categories of mild, moderate and severe, and we need to look at the categorization and then decide whether the child can be managed at home. Don't do self medications.
very
Don't
important.
don't give any tonics. Don't give umpteen antibiotics, because this is a virus. Antibiotics are not going to make any damn difference. And most important, feed the child. Give adequate nutrition, hydration, maintain good urine output, good oral intake, and give warm things to eat.
And I
So,
think observe the child,
observe the
child's
child.
act. I think 99% pediatricians say this कि आधी चीजें तो आपको बच्चा खुद बता देता है.
Absolutely.
वॉमिटिंग नहीं है, डायरिया नहीं है, फीवर नहीं है, और बच्चा एक्टिव है. तो लॉट ऑफ डॉक्टर सेज इट्स ओके. अब आई लाइक व्हाट माय पेडियाट्रिशियन राइट ऑन फाइल. W and W. So wait and watch when there is nothing as such. So
Yeah.
kids are super expressive. The last question in the same segment, COVID-19 को लेके, doctor, you used one term which says they are super spreaders.
Yes.
So what do you mean by that?
See what happens if a child is actually the heart of the family, and when a child has got a virus, necessarily it may not be that the child is showing that symptoms like fever, cold, cough, breathlessness and all that, versus a child may still have a virus in the nose, nasopharynx or the oral cavity. The child may be running, playing, a little bit of fever or a little bit of lethargy, and then the child is taken by the grandpa, grandmom, mother, uncle, and the virus is being transmitted to all these family members. So it's very important that the child may not have any problem, but the grandparents who are old, they are likely to get the virus and they can face the sequelae, and we don't want to lose any of our family members. So they are super spreaders into inverted commas, that we don't see the virus, we don't realize that they have got the virus, but they are spreading that virus to all the family members and the close acquaintances. So it's very important that if the child is unwell, please do the test. Don't run away from doing a COVID RT-PCR test.
Irrespective of age.
If the child is positive, nothing is likely to happen. 2% children may have some problems and they can be managed very safely in the hospitals, but 98% are like super spreaders who are likely to transmit the virus to other family members, and that's the risk that we take if you don't check or if you don't do the test.
I think here Dr. Sandeep also wants to say that nobody is going to love child like this.
वो तो ऐसे पास में लेता है.
हाँ, प्यार करो, पास में लो. I think that's how kids are. So थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो, depending on the symptoms. Convey it to your doctor. I think the doctor is the best person to tell you it's okay. It doesn't look like that. Let's observe for 3 days and then do. So whatever. I think doctors are the best people, but ensure that you update them about anything. I always say it in interview. I think it is applicable to Dr. Sandeep as well. Doctors always say it's easy to treat when it's early detection happens. So do not keep taking things at home lightly. Ensure that you do it well. So thank you so much, Dr. Sandeep.
Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you so much. You can call me Shreya, Dr. Sandeep.
Thank you, Shreya.
Thank you so much, all of you viewers. Okay, by the way, we are doing a series with Dr. Sandeep. So we'll see you in next video, and bye.
Bye-bye.